Crunch, boy. You gonna crunch out some weights. Carry on real good. Get ready for going on.